Welcome to the channel, my friend. If you love creativity, craftsmanship, and transforming ordinary spaces into warm, inviting homes, then you're in the perfect place. Before we dive into today's stunning topic, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications so you never miss any of our inspiring woodworking and decor ideas. Your support helps this channel grow and gives us the energy to keep bringing you more beautiful, practical, and budget-friendly designs. Today we're exploring something truly special: unique wooden art pieces that bring warmth, character, and personality to any wall. Wood carries a soul of its own, shaped by nature and perfected by human hands. When crafted into art, it becomes more than decor. It becomes a story, a memory, and a touch of nature inside your home. In this video, we go deep into how wooden pieces effortlessly transform plain walls into vibrant showcases of texture and charm. Wooden wall art is one of the most powerful ways to make your home feel alive. Unlike printed posters or synthetic decorations, wood adds depth, organic beauty, and warmth. Each grain pattern is unique, each shade feels natural, and every piece breathes comfort. Whether you love rustic farmhouse style, modern minimalism, boho vibes, or cultural patterns, wooden art pieces adapt to every taste. The beauty of wood decor is that it blends both old and new. You can take reclaimed pieces from old furniture and use timber, fallen branches, or even broken pallets and turn them into breathtaking artwork. This not only gives your home a unique look, but it also promotes zero-waste creativity and sustainable living. Every piece you create becomes a statement, one that honors both craftsmanship and the environment. There is something magical about the texture of wood. The soft curves, rough lines, smooth finishes, and natural imperfections make it more appealing than mass-produced decor. When you hang a wooden art piece on your wall, you add warmth that radiates through the entire room. It's like bringing a little piece of the forest into your home, giving your space a calm and cozy ambience. Many people love geometric wooden wall art, and for good reason. Geometric shapes allow wood pieces to become modern, sharp, and stylish. Triangles, hexagons, diamonds, and layered patterns create mesmerizing art that instantly draws attention. When stained with different tones, from light beige to deep walnut, you get contrast, depth, and a stunning architectural effect. For a more rustic feel, distressed or aged wood is perfect. These pieces give your room a lived-in charm, as if the wood already carries years of history. Whether it's from an old barn, a vintage door, or a broken shelf, reclaimed wood has character. Sand it lightly, add a bit of protective finish, and you'll have a beautiful piece that tells its own story. Another beautiful idea is carved wooden wall art. Carved designs often reflect cultural patterns, floral motifs, animals, or symbolic shapes. They bring personality and artistry into your home, showcasing the talent that goes into shaping wood by hand. Carving adds depth and texture, making the artwork feel three-dimensional and expressive. If you prefer a minimal approach, consider simple wooden panels with clean lines. Smooth planks in a natural finish can instantly warm up a plain wall. Even a single wooden panel placed behind a bed or in a hallway makes a dramatic impact. Minimal designs are perfect for modern homes that want elegance without clutter. Wood and resin combinations are another trend that has taken decor to a new level. When natural wood is paired with colorful or clear resin, the result is breathtaking. Blues resemble rivers, greens mimic forests, and clear resin highlights the natural edges of live-edge wood. These pieces are both artistic and luxurious, turning any space into a mini gallery. Abstract wooden art is ideal for people who love creativity without rules. You can mix shapes, angles, thicknesses, and stains to create unique visual compositions. Abstract designs spark curiosity and conversation, making them perfect for living rooms or entryways where guests will see them first. Wall-mounted wooden shelves also count as wooden art. When designed with style, These shelves become functional decor. They hold plants, books, candles, or souvenirs, while the wooden structure itself becomes a visual highlight. You get both beauty and practicality in a single piece. Bohemian wooden wall art brings a free-spirited, colorful, and textured feel into your home. Patterns inspired by tribal designs, mandalas, feathers, or African and Ethiopian cultural motifs bring diversity and charm. These pieces celebrate heritage, tradition, and global artistry all at once. If you love natural themes, wooden tree designs, branch art, or leaf carvings make your space feel fresh and alive. These pieces represent growth, life, and nature, perfect for meditation rooms, bedrooms, or cozy reading corners. For a luxury touch, polished hardwood pieces like mahogany, teak, or oak can be shaped into elegant wall art. With smooth finishes and deep color tones, they create a premium look that elevates your entire interior style. Another stunning idea is wooden wall mosaics. Small wood blocks arranged in patterns or gradients form beautiful textures that play with light and shadow. Every angle of the mosaic creates a slightly different view, making it a dynamic art piece. Layered wooden art is great for creating depth. By stacking wood pieces at different levels, you can produce dramatic three-dimensional effects. These pieces look almost like sculptures mounted on the wall. Wood burning, also known as pyrography, allows you to draw designs directly onto wood using heat. This technique adds detail, shading, and personality. Whether it's landscapes, quotes, portraits, or cultural patterns, pyrography gives wooden art an intimate, handcrafted feel. Another warm and inviting idea is mixing wood with textiles like macrame, wool, or cotton threads. The softness of fabric blends beautifully with the strength of wood, creating cozy and textured wall art. Wooden clocks also count as decor, combining functionality with artistic design. With unique shapes, carved numbers, or live-edge outlines, a wooden wall clock adds rustic charm while still serving a purpose. For people who love personal touches, wooden signs with inspirational quotes, family names, or carved messages add meaning and emotional warmth to your walls. They make your space feel personal and welcoming to mixed material wooden art, combining wood with metal, rope, clay, or glass. Adds contrast and visual excitement. Wood softens the look while the other materials add character and complexity. If you enjoy painting, Wooden canvases are perfect surfaces. You can paint simple shapes, landscapes, or abstract art on wooden boards for a textured, natural feel. Paint absorbs differently on wood, creating rich tones. Live edge wood pieces are incredibly popular. They maintain the natural shape of the tree, keeping the curves, cracks, and rough edges intact. These pieces highlight the raw beauty of nature and look especially amazing in modern or rustic spaces. You can also create artistic wooden frames that enhance any artwork or photograph. The frame itself becomes part of the decor, adding warmth and natural charm to whatever it surrounds. Large-scale wooden wall panels can completely transform a room. These panels act like feature walls, turning an empty space into a stylish focal point. They're perfect behind sofas, dining tables, or beds. Small wooden accent pieces, such as mini sculptures or wood pattern tiles, add subtle warmth without taking too much space. They're great for apartments or small rooms. If you want a unique artistic effect, mix different wood tones in a single piece. Combining light and dark shades creates contrast, depth, and visual energy. Textured wood, such as chiseled or hammered surfaces, adds a tactile experience to your walls. The uneven surface catches light beautifully, creating shadows and dimension. Curved wooden art adds softness to your walls. Instead of straight lines, curved pieces create flowing shapes that feel natural and elegant. Finally, no matter which style you choose, wooden art has a timeless charm that never goes out of style. It warms your home, tells a story, and leaves your space feeling cozy, beautiful, and uniquely yours. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring woodworking ideas and creative decor projects coming your way.